Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute step-up Tabata workout. And we're going to start with step-ups. And you're going to need some kind of step, either one in your house or a portable one. So get ready and let's go. Step up, drive your knee up. Switch legs, drive your knee up. Swing your arms just like you're running. Step up, drive up that knee. And you're probably going to exhale when you drive that knee up. Fantastic. Stop and down Hindu push-ups. So get into that downward dog. Butt up, head down, and get ready. Go. Lower yourself, bend your elbows. Nose, chest, hips. Nose, chest, hips. Do not sacrifice form for speed. Exhale as you come down. Inhale as you go back to the starting position. Nose, chest, hips. Stop and up. Shuffle and touch. So get ready to shuffle 2 shuffles. I'm going to my left. So get ready. Go 2 shuffles and touch the ground. 2 shuffles and touch the ground. Doesn't matter if you start going left or right, and it doesn't matter if you touch the ground with your left or your right. Make sure you're doing a squat when you reach down and touch. So don't just bend from your waist. Shuffle and touch. 2 shuffles and a touch to the ground. Stop and Hindu squats. We're going to do the modified Hindu squat. So get ready to reach down, touch your ankles, and go. Reach down, touch your ankles, and stand back up and put the hat on your head. Make sure you stick your butt back. Get your back at least a 45-degree angle. Exhale as you compress. Inhale as you stand back up. And I like the hat on the head method because it opens up that whole rotator cuff for the shoulders. Stop, and that's the order. We're going to go back to step ups. The order's not going to change. Here we go. And go. Step up, drive the knee. Step up, drive the knee. Swing that opposite arm. Exhale as you drive that knee up. Good. Stop and back down, Hindu push-ups. Get into that downward dog position. Get ready. Go. Nose, chest, and hips. Lowering yourself. Bend those elbows. Great exercise for the entire body. Great for that arms and chest and your back. And of course your shoulders. Exhale as you come down. Inhale as you go back to starting. Stop and up. Shuffle and touch. Get ready. 2 shuffles. Go. 2 shuffles, bend over, touch. 2 shuffles, bend over, touch. Back and forth. And you probably want to exhale as you compress. That's usually a good general rule. Shuffle and touch. Shuffle, shuffle, and touch. Stop. Hindu squats. Get ready. Go. Squat down, butt back, and put the hat on the head. Make sure you get a nice squat in there. Stick that butt back. Engage those glutes and quads. Exhale as you compress. Inhale as you stand back up. Stop. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to take a 30-second break. Take a few deep breaths. Take a sip of water. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. Okay, we're going to get ready for round 2. Same order, 10 seconds. We're going to start out with step ups, so get ready. And go. Step up, drive up the knee, and change feet, drive up the opposite knee. Make sure you're swinging that opposite arm as you drive the knee up. Nice exhale as you get up there. Stop and down. Hindu push-ups. Hands down, butt up, head down, downward dog. Get ready. Go. Nose, chest, hips. Lower yourself. Nose, chest, hips. Bend those elbows. Your nose should almost scrape on the ground when you go down. And a nice exhale as you go down. Inhale back to the starting position. Nice and smooth, because smooth is fast. Stop and up, shuffle and touch. Get ready. 2 shuffles. Go. 2 shuffles and bend over touch. 2 shuffles, bend over touch. Back and forth. You can do these rather quickly, right? Make sure you're doing a squat when you go down and touch. Don't just bend from your waist. Make sure you bend your knees, engage those glutes. Stop and Hindu squats. Stick that butt back. Squat. Here we go. Go. Squat. Sweep the ankles. Stick the butt back. Stick the head out. Exhale as you compress. As you come up, put that hat on your head. Boom. Right on your top of your head. Fantastic. Stop and step ups with 2 minutes to go. Get ready. Go. Step up. Drive the knee. Opposite leg. Drive the knee. Good. Nice big exhale as you drive that knee up. Swing the opposite arm. Good. Stop and back down. Hindu push-ups. Downward dog, head down, butt up. Get ready. Go. Nose, chest, hips. You know how to do this by now. Nice and smooth. Try to put that head all the way up when you're in the down position. Big arch in your back. Good. Stop and up. Shuffle and touch with a minute to go. Get ready. Go. 2 shuffles, bend over touch. 2 shuffles, bend over touch. Back and forth. Doesn't matter which hand you touch the ground with. Doesn't matter which way you shuffle first. Just back and forth. And stop. Hindu squats. Get ready. Go. Squat with your butt back and your head out. Exhale as you compress. Inhale as you stand back up. Swing your arms. Put that hat on your head in the opposite up position. Go, go, go. Fast as you can with good form. Stop. Okay. If somehow this workout is too short for you, rewind it and repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and make sure you click on this video for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.